Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to train a custom image model with Civitai AI. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So training a custom image model with Civitai AI works a bit differently than just using the site, because Civitai AI itself is mainly model sharing platform, not a training environment. So to train your usually stable diffusion training tools like Dreambot, LoRa, or textual inversion, and then you simply use these training tools and then upload your model to Civitai AI for sharing. Now you can simply type in the URL education.civitai.com and you will end up in the site where you can find the LoRa trainer. Now you need to understand the options for a custom model. You can train in different ways depending on your goal. If you are using LoRa, which is low rank adaptation, it is lighter, faster to train, easier to share, and best if you want to add a style or character without retraining the whole model. Now you need to prepare your dataset as well. Collect at least 20 to 200 high quality images of your subject, clean the dataset, and add caption if needed. Now you should be very consistent while doing this, and after you have chosen a training method, you can simply train the method. Run the training script in your chosen tool, monitor loose curves to many steps, and save the checkpoints. After doing this, you can test the model and you're all done. So this is how you can train a custom model with Civitai AI. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.